This is going viral right now, and millions of people believe it. Elon Musk is apparently offering free internet for life. Free. No monthly bills, no contracts, no provider. Just unlimited internet access, completely free for everyone on the planet.
Sounds like the greatest announcement in tech history, right? So why hasn't it been on every news channel? Why hasn't your phone company panicked? Because it's not real. And the truth behind this story is even more interesting than the lie.
Before I explain what's actually going on, I need you to understand what Elon Musk has actually built in the internet space. Because the real story is genuinely fascinating. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how viral misinformation takes something real and impressive and twists it into something that spreads like wildfire. Let's get into it. So what exactly are people seeing online? If you search on Facebook, YouTube, or X, formerly Twitter, you'll find posts claiming that Elon Musk has announced free Starlink internet for all Americans, or free global internet access through SpaceX satellites. Some posts claim this is part of a government deal. Others say Musk is giving it away as a gift to humanity. A few posts even claim that if you sign up through a special link, you'll get a free Starlink dish and unlimited data at no cost. These posts use real images of Starlink satellites and real photos of Elon Musk. They often use official-looking logos and formatting, and they spread fast, because the idea is genuinely appealing. The reality? None of these specific claims are true. There is no free Starlink for everyone program. There is no gift to humanity internet announcement. And those links? Many of them are phishing scams designed to harvest your personal information or get you to pay for something you'll never receive. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Because Starlink is a real technology, and it's genuinely impressive, SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company, has launched over 5,000 satellites into low Earth orbit as part of the Starlink constellation. The goal is to provide high-speed internet access to anywhere on the planet, including remote areas, rural communities, and developing nations that traditional internet infrastructure has never reached. And it works. Right now, millions of people in over 70 countries use Starlink for internet access. It's been deployed in disaster zones. It was used in Ukraine to maintain communications during the war. It's connecting remote communities in Alaska, Africa, and the Amazon rainforest. This is genuinely world-changing technology. But it is absolutely not free. A standard Starlink residential plan currently costs around $120 per month, plus a one-time hardware cost for the dish, which runs around several $100s. There are also business and maritime plans that cost significantly more. Elon Musk has spoken publicly about eventually lowering costs as the constellation grows and economies of scale kick in. But free? That has never been announced. So how does a paid satellite internet service become a viral story about free internet for everyone? This is where it gets really interesting, because there are a few real things that get deliberately twisted. Thing 1. In 2023, Musk did announce that Starlink would provide free service to certain maritime rescue organizations in disaster relief operations. That's a limited, specific program, not free internet for everyone. But it gets stripped of context and reshared as if it's a universal offering. Thing 2. Starlink has offered temporary free trials in some markets to attract new customers. Again, a limited marketing promotion, not free internet forever. Thing 3. There have been political discussions, particularly in the US, about subsidizing rural broadband access using Starlink and other providers. Some of this has involved government funding, but government subsidies for specific programs are not the same as Elon Musk giving everyone free internet. Each of these real things gets taken out of context, exaggerated, and recombined into a viral post that sounds incredible, because it's designed to. Here's what I really need you to pay attention to. The free Starlink scam isn't just annoying misinformation. It has a real financial cost to real people. The links in these viral posts often lead to one of two things: either a phishing page that collects your name, address, and credit card information, supposedly for shipping of your free dish, or a fraudulent subscription service that charges you a recurring fee for something you'll never receive. Consumer protection agencies in the US and UK have both issued warnings about fake Starlink offers specifically. People have lost hundreds of dollars believing they were signing up for a legitimate free program. So this isn't just a case of harmless confusion. This is an active financial scam, using Elon Musk's name and Starlink's real reputation to steal money from regular people. If you want actual Starlink service, the only legitimate place to sign up is starlink.com, the official website. That's it. Any other link or offer is not from SpaceX. Here's the genuinely exciting part. While free internet for everyone isn't real today, the direction of travel is actually pretty promising. Starlink's costs have been gradually coming down as SpaceX launches more satellites and reduces manufacturing costs. In some markets, there are now more affordable tiers available. Competition is also heating up. Amazon, through a project called Kuiper, is building its own satellite internet constellation. OneWeb is another competitor. As these networks come online over the next few years, competition should drive prices down further. There are also legitimate government programs in the U.S., through the FCC's Affordable Connectivity Program and others, that provide subsidies for low-income households to access internet services, including potentially satellite options. So is free global internet coming? Not tomorrow, but significantly cheaper, more accessible global internet? That trajectory is real. It's just not the viral free forever story you saw on Facebook. So, is Elon Musk offering free internet forever? No. What he built, Starlink, is genuinely impressive technology that is connecting parts of the world that were previously unreachable. But it's a paid service, and anyone claiming to offer it for free is either spreading misinformation or actively running a scam. The lesson here is the same as always. When something sounds too good to be true and it involves a famous name like Elon Musk, it almost certainly is. Now you know how to spot it. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe. I break down viral tech claims every week so you don't have to fall for them. And if you missed my video on the Tesla tiny house or the Amazon smart home, I'll link both of them right here. This whole series is built to keep you one step ahead of the misinformation. See you in the next one.